I'm sure you can hear all these fireworks. I'm here removing the exhaust manifold and this whole turbo setup. I'm going to be replacing it with a small 16G that I had on my other car. Reason being is that this Holset turbo that I have on here now is blown. It's not building any boost. So I just want to eliminate the options of why it's not building boost. I think the turbo... Holy shit. Damn, these people are going crazy with the fireworks. Happy Independence Day, America. America. Anyways, here I am turning wrenches while everybody's getting drunk and doing fireworks. Anyways, as I was saying, this turbo is blown, so I'm gonna be taking it off so I can put my 16G setup back on and hopefully see some boost. Since I got this car, I haven't been able to build any PSI, no boost pressure at all, and I believe it's because the turbo is blown. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so I got the turbo out. Laying them side by side. Look at the huge difference. Holy shit. This is a Holset H1C with a ramhorn exhaust manifold. This is a small 16G with stock manifold and the Punishment Racing. Actually, no, that's a Megan Racing, I think. Exhaust Ocho housing, I mean. So, whatever. I'm gonna be running the 16G temporarily while I get these rebuilt or I get another one. But for now, this thing is not building any boost. So, no boost equals no fun. We'll see if I can get this thing mounted on. Okay, what's up? I'm out here again. It's been a while. It's been raining a lot lately on 4th of July and all the festivities. I've been busy with work and everything, but so today I'm gonna be trying to install this 16G that I had on my old car into Sandy, the GSX. I had a Holset on here. I already took it off. But the Holset that was on here was blown, or it's not building boost for whatever reason. I took it off, and then I'm going to be installing the 16G for the meantime while I get the other one rebuilt, or I get another Holset, maybe an H635 or something. I had an H1C, I believe, the other one. So the problem, I've had a lot of fitment issues with installing this small 16G because the downpipe is too big for the Ocho housing. Here's the Ocho housing. This is 2.5, and then the downpipe is 3 inches. The return line was huge. I'm gonna have to custom make a return line for the 16G. The J pipe, I didn't have one, so I had to buy one. Actually, I bought this one right here, and that one didn't fit correctly with this front mount intercooler. Then this one fits. This is like the third J pipe that I bought. Finally, I got this one to fit and line up with this pipe down here and the turbo. Luckily, I have another downpipe for this GSX. This one actually is 2.5, and then it goes into 3 inches all the way back to the catback. So I'm gonna be swapping out this downpipe for the other one and making the oil return. So hopefully I'll get this turbo on the car finally and see if I can run this car. I haven't run it in a while. We'll see how that goes. I passed by Home Depot, got some new bolts, stainless steel bolts for the exhaust, for the Ocho housing and downpipe, and new gaskets. Yeah, this is for the Ocho housing, and then the other one back here is for the downpipe to Ocho housing. That's for the oil return, and I have one back there as well for the J pipe to the turbo. And we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. There's so many freaking fitment issues. DSM problems. Nothing ever goes the way it should be. Okay, so I finally got this downpipe off, the 3-inch downpipe. As you guys can see, it's kind of dark, but get some light on this. Alright, so 3-inch over here and 2.5 over here. Okay, this is stock one. For whatever reason, the previous owner had 2 bungs. One of them is, I believe, the stock rear O2. The other one, I guess he was running a wideband and the rear O2 at the same time. Whatever. That is the stock downpipe and the 3-inch one. Here's the puny little 16G with internal wastegate, and I'll be bolting this shit back up, and hopefully I can get the turbo mounted and get this over with. The stock downpipe is back on. Here it is. I even wrapped the exhaust in exhaust wrap. Now I'm just working on getting the O2 housing with the new gasket on the turbo. What else is missing? The oil feed. Gotta connect the oil feed. I mean, once I get all this crap mounted on with new gaskets, I'm gonna mount the turbo, connect the oil feed, the oil return, connect the O2 housing to the other downpipe, and we should be good to go. Hopefully everything comes together. Finally, after many days of switching things up and making things fit, it's got it's fine. Hi Fernando, say hi. Got my 16G on finally. It took forever. The intake was circulated. About to put oil in the car and see if everything works out fine.
Don't forget this, bro. It's going away.
Yeah.
The last time you see it, so.
That's his baby. Going away soon. He sold it, so hopefully to make room for an R33 coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's get oil in this baby and crank her up. Finally! Jesus Christ! Yeah, it's charging well. Oh, you mean the laptop? I'll check now. Data logging with DSM link now. Make sure. Yep, got that running here. Oh, well, I found the washer I was missing. Well, I'm about to take her for a spin and see how she runs.